Hello perlog baro mentangon wanrak beng spi aga program laitkam aga baya David ka Meghalaya Health Service Recruitment 2024 staff nurse number of posts 325 posts. So Meghalaya Health Service Recruitment 2024 notification. The Director of Health Service MI Meghalaya Shillong invites application in standard form of application from the candidates who are domiciled in the state of Meghalaya for work interviews for the 225 posts of staff nurses on contractual basis to be engaged in first referral unit and critical care unit. The last date for receiving of application is on 30th March 2024. So I request nakabantay kito ki paralog chungi ki ba la pandep ya ka BSc nursing te pinsubhaban apply ya kini ki post ki ba de hadu lai spa arpsan tali ki post ka bahap hapo ka Meghalaya Health Service but ka office ba phi dan kamban le ba apply ya kini ka post ka ba de jong ka standard form kan de hapo lai mkra post name staff nurse number of post 325 and the district wise vacancy list hanging in a pay ki district kanotuli ki post ki yo ka jong district. So number 1 is Garo Hill and then hadu arp south li ki post lane 24 posts. It's Khasi Hill 42 posts, North Garo Hill 16 posts, Ribhoi district 27 posts, South Garo Hill 18 posts, Southwest Garo Hill 18 posts, Southwest Khasi Hill 29 posts, West Garo Hill 37 posts, West Chinta Hill 51 posts, West Khasi Hill 30 posts, and the Eastern West Khasi Hill 33 posts. So age limit 18 to 27 years as on 1st of April 2024, provided that in the case of candidates belonging to scheduled tribes and scheduled castes of Meghalaya, the upper age limit shall be relaxable by 10 years. So salary will be 30,000 fixed per month. Essential qualification: BSc Nursing, General Nursing Midwifery or GNM from a recognized institution by the Indian Nursing Council, and the applicant should be registered under the Meghalaya Nursing Council and with the minimum experience of 2 years. And now we'll move to how to apply for Meghalaya Health Service Recruitment 2024 staff nurse vacancies. Application form in standard form of application is to be submitted in the office of the Director of Health Service MI Shillong and District Medical Health Officer Tura during office hour between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So the last date of receiving of application in standard form is on the 13th of March 2024. Important documents to be submitted are valid registration certificate under Meghalaya Nursing Council, birth certificate of SSLC admit card, scheduled tribe certificate or scheduled caste certificate, experience certificate minimum of 2 years, and the voter's ID. And dates and center for the work interview: 1st to 3rd April 2024 at the office of the Director of Health Service MI Shillong for Shillong Center, and for the 1st and 2nd of April 2024 at District Medical Health Officer Tura for Tura centers. And the name of the candidate shortlisted for appearing in the personal interview against the dates above will be intimated later in the government website, that is the meghal.gov.in. So applicants are advised to go through the Meghalaya Health Service Recruitment 2024 staff nurse. So parlok pambaro wat nom kuslai ya ka link ngan sabu hapo ka description box. So pila ban open na po ka description box jonga pin link ya kani ka website but pila ban download ya ka standard form lani yo let's say pila don lupa ka standard form ru umlele pila ban late direct hapo line crack ban apply ya kini ki post na kumta kito ki bala pandep ya ka BSc nursing lani GNM titang kenehi ngej ba pilai yo shibun gijing tip na kane ka video junga kermen ba ngin ya kendu haku ipat ka video ti subha lada dei ibadang tumai ba pe igane ka video junga subha ba pin like share ba subscribe na ka bata gijing tip ba benya haki khubor bat ki video ki banang wan khublei shibun khublei shi hajar ngo